Hello sir, my name is Nuralvina. I am the general manager of this company. We named the company as Wash It Laundry. The location of this laundry that me and my team has been decided to pick is at Indah Permai, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. We decided to pick this location due to its strategic place because it was placed between two universities, which is University Teknologi Mara Campus Sabah and Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Moreover, it is also located in the center of three housings. In Wash It Laundry, we offer four services, which is washing, drying, dry cleaning service, and ironing service.
Hi, I'm going to explain about operational plan. And first of all, my name is Abdul Alif bin Adam, the operation manager for Wash It Laundry. The operation plan is one of the most important factors to consider in a business. Like other companies, our target are ensure that our service are the best in quality and able to satisfy our customers' needs and wants. Hence, a systematic operational plan is formed so that our business runs smoothly and achieve its objective. The Wash It Laundry is a laundry business about to provide washing and drying services. We also provide dry clean service, which is only for coat and blazer. We also provide iron service if the customer requests for it. In order to achieve the need of customers, we must provide a good standard of customer service to ensure everything in the laundry can be accomplished. All of our plan like before in order to provide the best laundry for the
Hi,
customer.
I am Washir Ahmad Sharif, Manager of Marketing Department in Wash It Laundry. So there are a few marketing plan that I have stated in our business plan, like banner. So banner is the good advertising to our customer that we are operate a laundry business. So they are aware that there are a laundry in their community. So another one is we give them flyer. We provide flyers to them. So inside the flyers got a lot of information. Got our phone number, our address of our shop, and also our social media platform. Social media platform also be one of the strategies of our marketing, because we know nowadays people will always spending their time on their phone, on scrolling on social media. So in a social media, we also put our promotion, our operating hours, and a lot of information regarding to our laundry inside our social media platform. So it can ease them to ask us about our shop detail, our business opening hours, and other than that. So we really sure that our marketing plan can ensure a good profit and also will satisfy our customer that are enjoying our services.
Hi, I am Sharmizatun Sofia as the Administrative Manager of Wash It Laundry. Organization charts are the graphical representation of an organization structure. Its purpose is to illustrate the reporting relationship and chains of command within the organization. Wash It Laundry manpower consists of 5 persons. As you can see from the top of our organization chart, Nur Alvina as a general manager. Headed to the bottom part starting at the left side is Muhammad Shuib as a marketing manager. Next is Abdul Alif as an operation manager, Sharmizatu Sofia, which is myself, as an administrative manager, and lastly, Dayang Hanisha Zliana as financial manager. So here's a preview of our office layout.
Hi, my name is Dayang Hanisha Nabizratul as financial manager of Wash It Laundry. For financial plan part, we are going to go through our sales forecast. This is our sales forecast. As you can see, our monthly sales forecast are 273,750, and our 1 year sales forecast is 3,285,000. This is our pro forma cash flow statements. As you can see, our total cash outflow for each month for the entire of 2022 consists to positive value. This indicates that we will have enough cash on hand to run our business. Our pro forma cash flow statement also implies that we will experience cash surplus every month for entire 2022.
The first element of business model canvas is customer segments. For our customer segments, there are three types of segmentation we use. I will start with the first one, which is demographic. In demographic segments, we target the one who are in the age of 18 to 45, both gender, which is male and female, all races in Malaysia, which is Malay, Indian, Chinese, and Bumiputra Sabah Sarawak, student, especially university students, and lastly office worker. The next segmentation is behavioral. In this case, we target the one who do not have time to do their laundry, specifically for students as well as busy person. Then the one who have certain clothes which have to use our dry clean service, for example, the one who wore coats and blazer. Finally, our last customer segment is geographical. Since our laundry located in the Indah Permai area, we aim to serve everyone who lives around the neighborhood. It is also a strategic area for running a laundry business since the area are close to UiTM campus Sabah and Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu.
As you can see, there are 4 value propositions, which is customer satisfaction, time-saving, convenient and accessible, and lastly, reliability, service quality. We provide service based on our customer needs so that it will somehow reach to their expectation and satisfaction towards our service. Laundry service is very convenient for students who are staying in hostel, as they get very busy with their student life. Laundry services can make it easier for them to manage their dirty clothes as they can drop their fabric and let us handle.
So what is revenue stream? Revenue stream is how the company gain the profit. So in our company, we gaining profit by providing services to our customer. So what are the services that we're providing to our customer? So the first one, we provided washing services, and then we also providing drying services and also iron and iron pressing services. So that is how we gaining the profit. So we need customer to walk into our laundry, and we will providing a good and a high quality services to ensure the customer satisfaction.
Now we jump to the next element, which is channels. Channels are how a company communicates with their target customer and reach its customer segment. It is also can be categorized as marketing, sales, and distribution channel. There are 3 channels that we use to communicate with our customer, which is first by physical store. For offline platform, we use physical store as our channels to get in touch with our customer who doesn't have any social media account. Second channel is through our business Instagram account, and lastly through our Facebook account. These 2 types of online platform are not only for get in touch with our customer, but it is also for customer feedback activity and for updating our laundry activity.
I will explain about customer relationship. All company would like to have a good relationship with their customer, and it same goes to us. Our business prefer to maintain a personal relationship with customer by seeking their feedbacks and review. In addition, we will be giving discount and promotional offer to our regular customer. The customer enable to choose what service they want, for example, washing or dry cleaning. Furthermore, we provide high quality service to our customer. Last but not least, we also discount price for service contract. Key resources. The resources are needed to create value for your customer. They are considered as your asset to sustain or support your business. These resources can be categorized into 4 main categories, such as physical resources, human resources, intellectual resources, and financial resources. The key resources of our company are rent, building, washing machine and dryer, employees, customer database, and cash balance.
Next, I will talk about the key activities. There are 3 key activities, which is market offering, dry cleaning service, and public use laundry. We offer dry cleaning service. Our business goal is to always keep the quality of the clothes the same before and after they use our service. Next, our key activity is the laundry is a public use laundry. Even though we mentioned that our targeted customer are mainly university students, our laundry also welcome everyone, and we promise to give a high quality service to please our customer.
I am going to explain about key partners. Key partners are the relationship that you have with other business, governmental or non-consumer, entities that help your business model work. This can be the relationship that your company has with your suppliers, your manufacturers, business partners, and moreover. This partnership that you will undoubtedly create will be a force that help your business succeed in areas that will be inefficient you to do with yourself. And there are 4 key partners that we have choose, which is first we choose Kenshaw Vending Supplies, second Unify, third SND Barokah Enterprise, and last but not least we have choose Aura Detergent.
I will explaining about cost structure, which is apart from business model canvas. So what is cost structure? Cost structure is the cost that a company need to run the business. So what are the cost structure that Wash It Laundry needs? So there are a few cost structure that Wash It Laundry needs. The first one is we need to pay for the rental of building, and then we need a washing machine, and then dryer machine, and also iron, because we also providing iron services. And then we need electricity to run the machine. Since we are a laundry business, so we also need a water supply. And then the last one, we need a worker to run this business efficiently.